Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to add local games to Steam. Adding local games to Steam allows you to launch and manage all your games from one place. It also lets you use features like the Steam overlay and controller support. This guide will show you how to add local, non-Steam games to your Steam library. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and open the Steam. Log into your account if needed. Click the Library tab and look at the bottom left corner of the window. Click Add a Game. Choose Add a non-Steam game, and a list of installed programs will appear. Check the box next to the game you want to add. If the game is not listed, click the Browse. Navigate to the folder where the game is installed. Choose the game's X file, then click Open. Click Add Selected Programs, and the game will now appear in your Steam library and can be launched from there. Tip: you can rename the game or add custom artwork by right-clicking it in your library. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.